For this pattern, you will need 2 different yarns of super bulky weight. You will also need 16-inch US size 15 circular needles, a pair of scissors, a darning needle, and a stitch marker. To begin, cast on 40 stitches in your main color. Next, we're going to place our stitch marker at the beginning of the round, and we're going to knit in 1 by 1 or knit 1, purl 1 ribbing for a total of 7 rounds. So knit 1 and purl 1, and we're going to repeat this all the way around, and we're going to do a total of 7 rounds. Once you have finished the 7 rounds of 1 by 1 ribbing, you're going to knit 1 full round. All right, at this point, we're going to be adding our contrasting yarn color. Be sure not to cut the yarn of our main color. Do not cut it. We're going to knit a total of 3 rounds in the contrasting color. Okay, after my first round there, I'm not going to do anything special with the yarns yet. I'm just going to slip my stitch marker, and I'm just going to begin the second round. Okay, after we have completed our 3 rounds of our contrasting color, we're going to return to our main color and knit 1 round. And here is how we will do that. I'm just going to put my needle into that first stitch. So back here, we're just going to grab it right here underneath the contrasting color. We're just going to pick that black yarn back up and knit 1 round. Next, we're going to knit 2 rounds with the contrasting color. And to do that, we're going to lock the yarns. So the black that I just used, I'm going to lay over the contrasting color and pick that up. Once we have finished 2 rounds in our contrasting color, we're going to knit another round in our main color. So I'm going to move that over, and I'm going to pick up my black again and knit 1 round. And this time, next we're going to knit just 1 round in our contrasting color. And we will do another round in black, our main color. All right, so this next round is going to be a little different. We have finished our 3 stripes in our contrasting color, but for this round, we're going to knit 1 in our contrasting color, and then we're going to knit 1 in our main color. So 1 in our contrasting color, 1 in our main color, and we're just going to repeat that all the way around. You will probably have to untangle your yarn, both of your yarns at some point. as you can see what happens down here. Okay, once you have finished that round, you can go ahead and cut the contrasting color, leaving a little bit of a tail to weave in later. The next step is to knit 9 rounds in your main color. So I will be back after I have finished my 9 rounds. After you've completed all 9 rounds, we're going to begin the decrease rounds to close up the top of the beanie. So this first one is knit 3, knit 2 together, and we're going to repeat that. Knit 3, knit 2 together. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to knit 2 together. And we're going to just repeat that all the way around. So 1, 2, 3, and then knit 2 together. So go ahead and complete that round. So after that round, you should have a total of 32 stitches left on your needles. Now for the second decrease round, we're going to do a repeat of knit 2, knit 2 together. Knit 2, knit 2 together. 1, 2, and knit 2 together. After that round, you should have a total of 24 stitches left on the needles. So one more round, we're just going to do a repeat of knit 2 together all the way around. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 2 together. You should end with 12 stitches left on your needles. Once you have finished that last round, go ahead and cut the yarn, leaving approximately an 8-inch tail. Go ahead and grab your darning needle, and we're going to pass that tail through the remaining stitches. Once you get it through all those stitches, go ahead and pull tight, and then let's weave in that end. I always go through a few stitches more for a second time, and then bring the tail down to the inside and weave it in on the inside. Go ahead and weave in all of your ends. Okay, and there's your beanie. Go ahead and attach a pom if you so desire. As always, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you love this beanie pattern.